Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you to the today's live session. I am thrilled to see many of you joining in this live session. We encourage you to join the live session consistently and make the profits which we provide the recommendation, right? And this is an interactive live session, so we encourage you to interact during this live session so we will be able to understand more of your needs and deliver the needs accordingly. We will be able to understand your psychology, we will be able to understand your position as of now in financial market, and based on that position and strategy we will be able to provide you with the updates, right? So my name is Aditya and I am your live stream analyst for this season. With 7 years of experience in financial market, right? I have been consistently delivering returns to my clients. I have specialized in equities, be it commodities, be it forex, in all three segments. And for my analysis, I use fundamental analysis as my base and also go for the technical part. But most of my analysis is based on fundamental because I focus watch for the stock for the long term growth, not for the short term growth. Short term growth is important, swing trading is important. On the basis of that only we provide the call. But long term growth is also important for a stock, and for understanding your investment, right? For understanding your investment, the money, the hard earned money which you are putting into the market, the fundamental analysis play a very critical role, right? So you would be able to know that the stocks which you are putting money into is at the right stocks or not. Is it a good fundamentally? Even if it falls for a shorter period of time, it will it be going making it higher returns or not in the meantime, right? So we will also uncover one of our stock and let you know what are its fundamental. Aventel, as we have discussed, it was in our watch list, and now we will uncover its potential to look how it unfolds in electronic technology sector. So let's begin. Also let me know that if you are let me know that what do you aim to gain from this session, right? What are you trying to gain from this session? Are you gaining some insights or not? Please let me know in the comment section. Now, also I want to know that if you are here to make money, I just want interaction from your end. If you are here to make money, please type one in the comment section. And if you are just curious about making money, right, you are just starting in the financial market, if you are just new in the financial market, type 2 to get started, right? Also today we will cover the market structure, what we have provided till now, what are its position, what positions we have closed today, and the fundamental analysis of Aventel, right? And we will let you know how we can maximize our profit in volatility market, right? And what are the fundamentals that is required to be in the stock. We will do top to bottom analysis. Now looking at the yesterday, we had an entry at GGBL yesterday and Arkitply, right? So we will go to our stock performance sheet. So as we have discussed, GGBL was recommended yesterday at the 12:56 p.m. and it was delivered. Entry point was 415 to 420, and we have smartly exited that stock at 440. So just look at the potential it holds, right? Look at the potential it holds, and whatever the stocks we are providing are deliverable to you and profitable to you. The most important, we are here to make money, not lose money, right? So that is more important for each and every one of us. So yesterday only we have entered into GGBL, and today we made a smart exit at a profit margin of 6%. GGBL traded very high today. Just yesterday it was trading at 420 level, and now it has we have been taking profit at 440. Right? So making money is not hard. Making money is not hard for any one of you. You just need the right guidance into it. You just need the right guidance so that you are able to generate more and more returns. Right guidance, where the right guidance will come from, we are here to provide you with the right guidance, right? The We will provide you with the stock, we will let you know the date. Each and every stock we follow is available on our live streaming. We provide each and every recommendation on our live streaming. Nothing is hidden here, right? We are able to provide you with the calls, with the stock suggestion live streaming. We are doing the technical analysis of it, we are also doing the fundamental analysis of it, and we are here to recommend you, right? Aditya is here to recommend that what are the fundamentals which is unfolding in the stock that is leading to a greater growth in the stock or will lead to a greater growth, right? Before investment you should know the analysis of the stock that we are investing in, and we should know that we are making a smart investment or not, right? So as of now, looking at our current holding, we have Hindustan Oil Exploration, Aventel, Poonawalla, IP Rings. So we will look what was the performance today for these stocks. So looking at the performance sheet in trading view, we are seeing there is a fall in Poonawalla by 4.90%, and RBL Bank is been dipping a bit as of now, right? So these are the holdings we have. We will first look, we will close our updating sheet that we will look in every detail what we have provided, and we will move to the analysis of our current holding, right? So as of now we have entered yesterday in GGBL and had made an exit here at this position, and all these stocks which you are seeing from starting to ending, we are able to make a greater profits here. We are able to make greater profits here. So you can just imagine the profits we are able to generate, right? Just imagine the profits which you are able to generate as of now. We are able to generate 199% of profitability and have closed 32 trades. We have closed 32 trades as of now, and it is just in 2.5 months, right? In the 2.5 months time frame, starting from 18th of September we started providing you with the call, and now we have generated 199% profitability. We are just at the mark of 200% profitability in 2.5 months. Just let me know if you are able to make this profit by yourself. If you are able to make this profit by yourself, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are not able to make profit by yourself, then it is also okay. We are here to provide you with the research recommendation which you need for the portfolio, right? We are here to guide you, we are here to provide you with the profitability part. Now if you are impressed with this profit, please type one in the comment section. I want to know who are the people, which are the people making money out of our recommendation, right? So this is our profit tracking strategy which we have as of now. We have made tremendous returns as of now, and we are able to see how timing plays an important role in the results. Like for the swing trading and for the short term trading, timing plays an important role. Entry point is very important, exit point is also important in the stock, right? And we are able to deliver consistently on it. On live streaming itself we are able to provide you with the research recommendation, right? So that is more, that's make you more profitable and profitable, that makes you grow a lot, right? So the also I wanted you to know that this live streaming session is not free, will be not free in coming days. It is a VIP subscription for, it will be VIP subscription in after coming 2 3 weeks. We are providing this for free for these 2 weeks. We want you to be comfortable with us. We will be providing you with the research recommendation for next 2 3 weeks. We will be providing you the entry and closing, a closing point, and what are the take profit mark, right? Once we switch to the VIP mode, it won't be available in free. So I want you to tell that till it is free. Just take most benefit out of it, right? The more benefit you will take, the more you will be able to understand what we are delivering, right? What we are delivering in a stock, what are the profit generation capacity we have for the client. We are updating each and everything on Excel sheet, right? So that is the most important thing in any analysis. We are discussing, we are providing you the call, we are providing you the entry, we are also doing the fundamental analysis of a stock. For one stock we will do now in today's session also. Until now we are able to generate 199% of profitability in just 2.5 months in just 32 trades. Just look at the potential which the Indian market is holding, and just look at the research which we are providing. You will be automatically profitable in the market, and it's not hard to make money for any of the investors, right? You just need the right guidance, and we are here to provide you with the right guidance, with right support, with right entry and right exit point. And we have this position as of now which are still not giving return. We encourage each and every one of you to pick up this stock, to put at least one stock in their portfolio, so they will be able to track their returns in future, right? They will be able to know our strong point, they will be able to know our entry price, they will be able to make a smart exit, they will be able to make profit, because each and every one of us are here for profit. The greater you put your money into our calls, the greater profit you will be getting. Even if you are trying, you can put small amount of money, you can try for some time, and then you will gain confidence, you will automatically gain confidence whatever the result we are providing in all these stocks, right? So I just wanted to know that make most out of it, right? And join this session. Each and every session is free as of now for next 2 3 weeks. Use this opportunity the most and learn to grow with us and be with us in the future. Also, I want to mention we not only deals in equities, we are dealing in equities as of now because we want to get comfortable in the Indian equity market, and we want to be comfortable with you, so that you are generating a profit from equity, and then we will move to forex market, we will also move to commodity market, right? We also deals in that, the forex market, the commodity market, and we will be able to generate greater returns there, right? Many of you have many doubts about forex, many doubts about commodities, how to trade in that, how we can be profitable in that. We will explain each and everything in our coming days, but first let's be comfortable in equity market. Once we gain hands-on experience in equity market, once you start understanding the equity market, you will be able to gain insights into the forex market, you will be able to gain insights into the commodity market, and we will be able to make profit out of all three markets, either be it's equity, either be it's forex, or either be it's commodities. In all three we will be profitable, we will be providing you with the research, each and everything we will be providing you, right? That is the most important thing. Let's uh, now let's move up to our watch list. What we have in our watch list? In the watch list, we have already seen what was the position as of now. In Poonawalla FinCorp, we had a dip of 4.9%. Going to the watch list, the Poonawalla has dropped 4.9%. RBL Bank has dropped 1.59%. National Fertilizer is positive for today. The market was positive, but this stocks hasn't performed well as of now. Right, there is some dip, there is some consolidation going on in these industries. That's why there are some negativities for electronic equipments, and also there are possible profit booking. We have seen Avental rising, so there may be some possibility booking, profit booking here. Their plastic has also risen in previous 2 3 sessions, so there is a profit booking in their plastic also. In all these stocks overall, if you see, it has been balanced. Some are positive, some are negative as of now, but overall structure what we have provided is profitable to each and every one of you, right? And uh, and each and every stock has been delivering returns for you. For the stocks which are here in our watch list, will be providing returns again and again for you. I'm telling you, please enter your money, a little money or a more money. The more money you will be putting into the stock, the more money you will be able to make out of it, right? So we will just look at the brief analysis of this stock and let and understand what it holds for us. So the Poonawalla, we have we have made three entry at the Poonawalla at 395 price at this entry and this entry. So the average price comes out to be 375. This was the average, and it also has resistance at that point of time. Poonawalla closed 4.9% below today from its level. Poonawalla had made a high of 374 as we were talking about. It has a resistance at around 373, 375 and 80. So it has not reached to its position and has fallen below that. And can you look? Can you look? It has fallen below that, and it is very concerning as of now. It is because it is not able to breaks its resistance. It is not able to break its resistance. That is a very important factor for every one of us. Once it breaks its resistance above 375 and 80 level, it will be able to reach its greater high and will be able to mark good profit out of it, like more of a 440 450 mark, and you will be also able to see reaching to its previous highs of 500, making a high of 500 in the long term basis. We have analyzed Poonawalla fundamentally previously, right? So now looking at the RBL Bank performance, RBL Bank is been looking at the RBL Bank performance. We look at the RBL performance. We have made two entry here. First entry was at level of 200, 205, and second level was second entry we had made at level of 150 and 153. So the average price is here, and RBL Bank is trading around the first entry price, right? And we have also made our profit at this level. And now we will look what and now we look where are its resistance and support. So RBL Bank had a strong support at 150, and from that level it is making a green candle a bit and consolidating at this position at its support level, and we are expecting it to go towards its next resistance level at 170 175. So it is very important to know that the resistance which has holds a greater importance. Once it crosses its resistance, we will be able to see high till here. Looking there is a red candle appearing as of now, and it is supporting above, it is consolidating above its support level. So once it crosses its resistance, we will be able to make greater high at 220 230 level. Now coming to our national fertilizers, we have a gain of 2.5% as of now. So which makes a balanced portfolio, which makes a balance, like it is increasing from a level of 110 and 111 level, and it has given a greater returns of 10 to 11%. Look, I will show you what NFL has given. We have made a profit of 9% out of it. Look, we have made a profit of 9% in NFL. Just yesterday, we made an exit at NFL, and we are going long in NFL for more positivity. For our clients, we have booked our profit, and we will let you know when to enter this stock. And for those who are holding this position, it's a very good decision. We are going long for it, and we will be able to see. We will be able to exit at 130 135 level easily in the coming days. It's for only for the long term investor and those who want to make quick profit, those who want to exit, those who are traders. We advise you to enter at this level. This level looks very good. Right? And coming to our second stock, Dev Plastic, we have a drop of 0.69%. The volume was on an average, right? And it has uh, volume has dropped a bit, I guess, and market cap is as similar as it, right? The market cap doesn't plays an important role on day-to-day basis. We have to look at the market cap on a long-term basis. So on daily basis, following the market cap isn't fruitful, because market cap rises in the long term or decreases in the long term based on their performance. Others, if the stock grows a lot of or falls a lot, market cap plays an important role. It also shows where the stock belongs to. Either it is in small cap, either it is in mid cap, or either it is in large cap. Large cap stocks are stable. They have already seen the market, and now, as of now, they are at large cap, right? And Ganesh Green Bharat, IP Rings, Arcade-Ply, Annapurna, Swadhisht is playing a very important role in our portfolio, right? Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, we have provided yesterday, and it has closed our call at 440. For those who have missed the opportunity, that is now they also have a buying opportunity. As of now, it has fallen from 440 to a level of 425. They can still enter the stock, and they will be feeling positively because the stock is showing some momentum. Stock is building momentum in it. Now coming to the IP rings, it has been constant for today. Neither it has increased nor decreased as of now. And for Arcade Ply Industries, there has been downfall of minus 2.04%. So it has not much. It is consolidating at our levels, which we have provided at 115 and 200. And Annapurna Swadhisht, if you see, it is 2% as of now. So it has increased 2% as of now, so we are being positive here, right? Now we will be doing the analysis of Aventel today. We will perform the analysis of Aventel and look what it holds for us and what are the potential in Aventel. So we will go to the site. Ticker tape, it is a very good site for doing fundamental analysis, right? It has everything which you need for doing. So look, today, as of today, Aventel has been negative. It's been stable as of now. It has not fallen to its mark, not gone down. We will analyze each and everything for Aventel. What we will analyze today, I want to let you know. I want to show you. In from the trading view, we have made a format. We will do the fundamental analysis of Aventel, right? We will look at the income statement. We will analyze how much income generation they are doing. We will look at their revenue. We will look at their profit. We will look at their net income, what they are generating. We will also look at their balance sheet. Is there any fishy in balance sheet? Is there any uneven distribution in the balance sheet which creates doubtful for the investors? We'll also look at the cash flow analysis. The cash flow in the company is doing well or not? Is the cash flow proper in the company to maintain its operation? And we will also look at the industry dynamics. Which industry is it operating, and what are its peer position, right? We'll also look at the peer position of the Aventel, and we will also analyze the financial ratios like PE and EPS plays a very important role in any financial ratio. So we will analyze that and also compare with its peer, because peer comparison is very important because there are many players in the industry. So peer comparison come with that, right? So we have to look at the competition which it holds and compare with its peer, because if it is having a low quality than its peer, the services are low, then obviously people will switch to its peers, right? And Aventel has many peers. We will look into that. We will also do the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis plays an important role. Why SWOT analysis plays an important role? Because we will know about the strength of the business. We will know about the weakness of the business. We will know about the opportunities in the business, and we will know about the threats in the business. What are these? What we have covered? Like strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Each and everything, 360-degree analysis. We always talk about the 360-degree analysis of a stock. So this fulfills our 360-degree analysis, and we will also provide you the future outlook and conclusion. Conclusion means my recommendation. I will provide you with recommendation where the stock holds and what are the possibilities that it can grow or not grow. We will know each and everything at the end of our session, right? So now coming, so now we will go back to the ticker tape. Now we are going back to the ticker tape. As we have already told, we have entered at a position of 145, 146, and now we are coming to a position. We have made an exit of 155, 150, 56 as of now, and we are also analyzing the fundamentals of it as of now, right? So we will look the top to bottom analysis now. Now coming to the income analysis, we will do the income analysis at first. We have a revenue of Avental Limited has a revenue of 225 225 crores. Right, 225 crores. Avental Limited has a revenue of 225 crores, up from its previous level of 155.93 crores. Can you look? It is increasing. It is increasing a revenue, and there has been net income increase from 26 to 52 crores. So there has been huge growth in the income efficiency. It shows that efficiency is growing in the market. Efficiency is growing in the Avental, right? Because the income has almost doubled in previous financial year. So we are expecting very positive because it shows the efficiency of a company. We then don't analyze each and everything. There are a few points which you need to analyze in the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, and that will give you the overall view. There is no need to analyze, go very deep. The most important thing which will look, revenue, income part, EPS, right? That is the most important thing in any income statement. If we are able to analyze these stocks, we are covering almost all the aspects. We'll also know at the growth value क्या growth value है, right? Avental, what the growth value it holds. Now look, the growth has been tremendous. Can you look? The growth is increasing from last 3 years. It has been showing constant growth of 35%, 45%, and 45%. It has been delivering constant growth in terms of revenue, and we will talk about the income. Right, income was low in 2021, 2022, and in financial year 20 to 23, it has increased to 49%, and now there has been tremendous growth in net income. Right, there has been tremendous growth in net income, and we are seeing 100% increase in growth. Can you just look at the net income? It has increased 95.79% growth in the net income, which marks a remarkable performance by Avental in terms of net income. It has shown its efficiency. It has doubled its efficiency and growth. Now we will come to the balance sheets. We have seen its potential in growth and in, right. Now we'll look at its balance sheet. Balance sheet, we will look at the overall assets which hold the current assets, non-current assets, liabilities, non-current liabilities, right? We will look after everything. The liabilities asset it has. First we look at the liabilities today. We are changing our pattern. First we look at the liabilities, then the assets. That will make you more interesting in it, right? So first look at the liabilities. Liabilities, it had 20 crore in 2021, and it have increased to 51 crore in 2024. But assets has been increasing tremendously from last 3 years. Asset is showing its growth. Assets, as you can see, there has been growth in assets from 86.76 crore to 215.84 crore increase in asset. So just look at the potential it is holding. The efficiency is growing, the net income is growing, right? And the revenue is growing, assets are also growing, liabilities increasing, but not at that extent, right? We will see at the growth percentage. So now look at the growth percentage it had. In terms of growth view, we have an increase of assets from 10 to 50 to 35%, and liabilities are not increasing that much. It is very positive as of now. From last 2 year, from last year, as you can see, There's been increase of 23% in liability, and that is also only 10 crores, right? That is very important. Now we are looking at the cash flow statement. In cash flow statement, there is net change in cash. It is a bit positive and negative as of now. And now this year, there has been much positive in net change in cash. So the cash flow is growing positivity. And even if you see free cash flow, it has gone to 49.91 crore as of now. So it is showing its improvement, right? It is showing its improvement. It is improving as of now. Now looking at the, so what we have analyzed in this statement, rising cost, what we will analyze in this statement, right? Also we have to look at its peers like Tejas Networks and HFCL have demonstrated a stronger revenue. If we follow the its peer HFCL and Tejas Network, they have demonstrated a stronger revenue even than Aventel. Aventel is doing tremendous in it. Aventel growth is good, but it is doing less from its peer. So we are expecting more from the Aventel than its peer. We are expecting Aventel to do more from its peer, so they are able to generate more returns, right? Uh, which also shows that their peers revenue are going a lot. So it also indicates that there has been competition in the market, and how Avental survives that market. There's been strong competition in the market, right? It is not easy for Avental to survive in the market. Avental is doing really good, but not not as per the industry mark. Now we'll look, right. Now the gross profit margin has been strained as of now. Income has increased, but the margin has been strained due to what the problem they're facing. They are facing problem from supply chains, they are facing problem from their logistics team, so the margin is getting less for them, right? What talking about the liquidity, from its current ratio it requires improvement, right? It requires improvement. In contrast, its peer Tejas Network doesn't have any issue on that. Just balance that portfolio and look into it. Also the inventory management as compared to the HFCL and supply, which optimize supply chain practices, we have to look Avental is improving its supply chain or not. Even Avental is looking at the improvement of its logistics or not, so that they got the raw material low cost and they will be able to provide these services at a good cost, at a good margin, so they are able to increase their income more, right? And the cash flow of analysis, there has been strained cash flow because no, cash flow has been good, but it is strained from its competitors. We are comparing the fundamental analysis as compared to its peer as of now, with its peers. So the overall the cash flow has been positive for the Aventel, but it is not as much better as to its peers, right? Now we will look at the industry dynamics. Industry dynamics. What are the industry drivers? There has been increasing demand for each and every telecom sectors, manufacturing of telecom products in last few years in India. We have seen a tremendous demand for it because there has been growth in the telecom sector. There, everyone is pursuing the 5G network. Everyone is into the system of internet. More and more people are coming to the using of internet. More and more people are using their phones. More and more people are adapted to the technology nowadays, right? So it has to put its effort in R&D, which has to put its effort in R&D, and it also holds a competitive position among its peer. When we look at this peer, we'll compare its peer valuations as of now. So peers and comparison, we are coming to the valuation of peers and comparison. Aventel has a PE ratio of 78.40, and its competitors are having a PE ratio of 50 to 60, right, and Nelco is at sitting at 97.66 level. So overall, if you see the PE ratio which it holds is average as of now, it's not overvalued as compared to its peer, right? Because the average value, the PE ratio which it holds supports the value, supports the, it's supported by the profitability the company holds. The people are even ready to buy at the 78.40 P. That means people are expecting positive out of it, because the information technology sector, the networking, the communication sector is improving in India day by day. Each and every day you will see an increase in communication networking sector in India. Geo has taken the market by storm. Geo has revolutionized the internet services in India. So we are expecting positive in that, right? Uh, we have looking at the technicals. The RSI also not in RSI is also not in overbought zone. If it was have been above 70, we could have told the RSI is in overbought zone. But as of now, RSI is indicating positivity. RSI is indicating stability in the stock, and volatility is also not very much as of now, right? And we will look at the forecast. There is no forecast for Aventel because it is a small cap stock as of now, but we are expecting it to grow a lot. We have looked at the valuation, it is average as of now. Technicals are good. It is not in the overbought zone. And forecast is not available for this. Why do we need forecast? If I am here, I am here to forecast you. I am able to provide you with the recommendation, right? We are here to provide you with the recommendation. And coming to the price level, what are the prices increases they had previously? Aventel starting from and has been performing really good, and it is average of its competitor. It has provided a return of 27% as compared to its competitor Railtel. Railtel has been doing great. Astra Microwave. Astra Microwave is also performing at the mid range. So the overall performance, if you see, Aventel is not that it is not performing, it is trying to perform, and we will see more positive out of it in the coming days. And now, after analyzing each and everything, we are able to see that the it has an intense competition from Tejas Network and HFCL, right? And Railtel, Astra Microwave. It has an intense competition. The stocks are very much competitive in this sector because there has been demand for this sector along. There has been increase in the industry, but it is also what it is showing. It also has serious concern. The competition in the market is huge, right? So, however, at coming to this at its peer comparison, however, Avental holds an edge in niche market that requires customized solution. Avental have a hold at niche market, right? They are able to provide customized solutions for the customers at a better rate, right? So they are able to provide the customers at a better condition. They are upgrading their technology, they are upgrading themselves to according to the customer needs, right? But they have a strong competition, as we have already told. And talking about the external risks, uh, it has a better raw material, but there is a volatility in the supplier. They just Aventel has a better raw material, but it has volatility in supply. The price keeps increasing, price keep decreasing. So that makes a concern for its profitability, for its efficiency, right? And now adapt inventory plays an important role here. Uh, if they start keeping with themselves, they start keeping the inventory, so that would be more profitable for them, right? So we have look at the metrics. We have the financial ratios of it. For Aventel, gross profit margin is declining. For Tejas, it is stable, and for HFCL, it is increasing. Net profit margin is negative. Right? For net profit margin is negative for Aventel, positive for Tejas and HFCL. So that is a concern as of now. And debt to equity ratio is moderate. The most important thing, the debt to equity ratio is moderate in Aventel, but it is low in its Tejas and HFCL network. And return on equity is also good. Return on equity has been average. Return on equity is doing growth, right? Return on equity is, if you see the revenue growth, it is showing good. Return on equity is 38.7% for it. It is showing high profitability. It is ranking higher than its peer. And PE ratio is average. PE ratio is average, right? And other peers are having high PE. It is trading at a premium price. So it makes a good investment opportunity for each and every one of us. Now we will look at the what we will do the SWOT analysis. We will also analyze the strength, weakness after doing uh, the promoter shares holding. We will look at the shareholding pattern and we will able to know what it holds for us. Now, total promoter holding is 40.06%, and as of September, they are having a 40.06%. Though shareholding pattern has been similar for promoter, promoter are stable in this stock. They are neither increasing or decreasing it, right? So, but if you see the institutions have started buying the mutual fund companies, and the other institution, each and every one is taking part here. Other domestic institution, be it foreign institution, it is taking part. It has started to participate in this stock. They are buying from retailers and others. So it is a very positive sign for us. Promoter is Promoter is keeping its stake constant, and mutual fund, other domestic institutions, FII institutions are buying this stock. That is very positive for any stock, right? That grows the positivity, that grows the shows the mentality that promoter are positive. And even when FII, DI, and mutual fund invest in a market that is backed by the good research, they also invest with huge amount. So if we look at the positioning of this stock, it is looking really good. Now we will do the SWOT analysis of this stock. After looking of each and everything, we will do the SWOT analysis. So coming to the SWOT analysis, what we have analyzed till now, what are its strengths? Strong niche market. On it has focus, and R&D capabilities are high, right? R&D capabilities are high. What are its weakness? Talking about its weakness, it is operational efficiency is going low. It is impacting its profitability. It is increase in profitability. It has increase in net income, but efficiency is not that much as compared to its competitors are doing really well, but it is not doing as much as its competitor. Now coming to the opportunities, it has expanded its services to tier 2 and tier 3 services. Apart from tier 1 city, it has also started going to tier 2 and tier 3 cities. It is also looking at the rural areas as of now. So these are the opportunities available, right? Threats, there are the biggest threat in any industry is competition, and there is a high competition in this evental industry, in this communication and networking industry, but it is growing a lot, and there is also been a threats out of it. And what will be the future outlook? We will coming to the future outlook. As of now, future outlook, we have to look at the cost optimization technique. We have to look at the supply chain team, that if they are performing well or not, they are able to keep the inventory at the right moment, and if they are able to buy the raw materials at low cost, so that they are able to provide greater returns for each and everything, right? And they have to do the product innovation. They have to invest in R&D, so that they are able to innovate their product and do and focus on IoT. Internet of Things is the next big thing. As you know, Internet of Things is the next big thing, and satellite communication. They have to put money into the R&D of Internet of Things and satellite communication, which is aligning with this industry trends. People are started focusing above from the from its base business. People are thinking of Internet of Things. People are thinking of satellite, so they should start investing in that. So it will make Aventel a future promising stock, right? And there has been geographical diversification. It is still untapped. It is still untapped in the domestic and international market. It has many areas which it can develop. It is still in at the small cap industry. Look at the small cap industry it holds. But if it is started to increase, it will we will see a huge potential out of it, right? It will have a global footprints out of it. And we look why Aventel still stands out even after all the barriers, even after the intense competition, even after its peers are performing well from it. How Aventel stands out? Aventel stands out, right? It has strong niche focus in telecom communication and commitment to innovation product. It has a commitment to innovate its product, right? And which is unique to the industry. And also they have adopted 5G and IoT technology, which shows positivity in it. Coming to our conclusion, our analysis, what we hold as of now, Avantel is facing near-term challenges from its profitability pressure and competition. However, its niche market focus, steady revenue growth and alignment, right, with its high profitability trend like 5G and IoT present, it's a compelling case of recovery. It is showing the IoT and 5G increasing with peer like Tejas network. NHFCL currently doesn't operate in scalability. Doesn't have scalability. Avantel is good in that. Avantel is trying to increase its scalability. Scalability is trying to improve the business. So this is a positive thing we have of now. And Avantel offers an entry point at this level into a rapid evolving industry. The most important thing, we have made a profit and we are also expecting profit in the future. So that is the most important thing for us, right? Avantel has made a greater returns for us. So now what we will do, we have analyzed the stock. What we have analyzed, we will look at it. For income statement, right? For income statement, we have seen, we'll go to the, yes, for income statement we have seen that the income revenues are doing good in net income has increased as of now, so it is performing well. For balance sheet we are seeing a positivity in it. There is nothing much to worry about it. For cash flow analysis is having some intensity in it, but it can improve after its profitability gets improved. We have seen the industry dynamics, right? We have seen the industry dynamics. What industry dynamics which we have seen, we are looking at the, we have compared to its peers and industry, and industry dynamics is very positive. It has grown a lot in last few years and peers are also performing well. After the financial ratios and peer comparison, right, what we can do, financial ratios and peer comparison, that would be, we have analyzed that PE is trading at the average. Peer are also performing good, and this stock is also performing good. Future outlook is very promising. As we have discussed, the stock has a potential, the industry has a potential, and we have also provided you the conclusion. Despite all the challenges Aventel faces, we will be having some positivity out of it. We will be having profitability out of Aventel, right? What we have analyzed, the balance sheet, we have seen the liquidity, we have seen the leverage, we have seen the cash flow, we have seen the industry dynamics and peer positioning, each and everything. We have done the 360-degree analysis. Look at the 360-degree analysis which we have done. We have done the 360-degree analysis for Aventel as of today. We have analyzed each and everything. We have also provided you with the recommendation. It is a right time to invest in the Aventel stock. If you have not invested, you are missing out opportunity. You're missing out an opportunity here. We have looked at the profitability which we had. So now coming to our seats, what we have achieved and what we have gone through, this is our holding as of now. For holding, we are having few stocks in it. We are having Hindustan Oil Exploration, RBL Bank, Aventel. We have discussed this fundamental today, Poonawalla, IP Rings, and Architect. These are the major holdings we have as of now. We are able to generate, we will be able to generate more profit in it once you enter into the stock at our entry level. And these are the stock tracking is very good, right? Hindustan Oil Exploration, we have provided you with the many recommendations and we are able to provide you with the profitability, right? uh, just look at the profitability we have as of now. We are able to achieve 199% of profitability closing 32 trades. So just look at the profitability margin we are making for you. We are here to make profit, not loss, right? We are here to make profit, not loss. So why are you not following us, right? We have done the analysis for today. We have done the analysis of Aventel. We have done all the fundamental analysis of Aventel from top to bottom, the 360-degree analysis. And now, as we wrap up this session, we will summarize today's key point. After this, we have looked at our position, right? We have looked at our position. We have made a profit of 199% in 32 days, in around 2.5 months. So just look at the profitability we are having as of now. Are you able to make this profit by yourself? Please let us know in the comment section if you are able to make this profit has by yourself. So we have a question of hers. Avental price has been correcting. Should we buy it or not? Yes, hers. You should go buying on Avental. Right at this level, we are very positive about that. Once it reaches the level of 144, 145, or at around 150, we can buy that stock, and we will be able to see Avental making its new high in coming times. So I guess you got my point where we should enter at that Aventel and buy that stock, right? And now we will look. Now we have look also we have booked a profit in Aventel at one point of time, and now we are very positive in that Aventel stock in coming times. For long term basis, it is good, and for the short term basis, we should wait for a position for the short term trading, right? So we were talking about the profitability. We are able to make 199% profitability in 32 trades, right? And now looking at our holding, which we have, this is the holding we have as of now. Our holding has been performing good. Our holding has been doing really well, right? The Poonawalla FinCorp, the RBL Bank, the Poonawalla last day reached at a high of 374, but it didn't cross its resistance. It didn't cross its resistance as of now. It didn't cross its resistance, and now we are seeing a decline from its resistance. We also provide you with the recommendation of resistance support. That is a very crucial level. We also let you know what are the reasons for the downfall, and if it sustains the level of 350, the Poonawalla FinCorp, we will be able to see growth in it. We will be able to see growth in the Poonawalla. Right? And RBL Bank, considering the RBL Bank, it is showing some momentum as of now. It has declined today, but it has backed up. It is consolidating at this position. And if it sustains above 150, we will be able to see more growth in the RBL Bank in coming days. National Fertilizer Limited is being doing tremendously well. We are very positive about that, and we will see in upcoming days National Fertilizer performing a very good. Right, it is bullish from last few days, and it is performing really well as of now. And talking about this Aventel, we have discussed the Aventel from top to bottom. We have done the 360-degree analysis of Aventel and also given you the future outlook and our recommendation. Right, we have gone through all the ratios, all the peer comparison, industry comparison, to let you know the insights of it, and make you understand better, market, right? So that you are able to get insights of each and every stock. Every day we come up with a fundamental analysis of a stock, of some stock, to get you insight in the evening session, right? So that you are more comfortable with our investment, and you to know that where you are investing your money, right? So these were the things which we have discussed. What we have discussed, the profit in the stocks which we have made today, right? We have already closed the position of GGBL today at 6% profit mark, and the current holding which we have, and how to maximize returns out of it. Also, we have done the fundamental analysis of Aventel. We have done the fundamental analysis. We have been looking how Aventel is great for us, and next session will be at morning. So this is my last session for today, and we will come back in on Monday, and we see what market holds for us, what are the stocks we are getting update, and what are the exit we can make out of it, right? And for the next session, stay tuned till Monday. We will be coming back, right? And thank you for joining this session. If you had any doubt in this session, please let us know in the comment section, that we will be able to buy it more, right? And now, as of now, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. We are here only for 2 to 3 weeks, providing you the free live streaming services. But as we go ahead, it will be available for subscription mode, only for VIP mode, so that we will be able to give you with more matlab realistic service, more related services, right? And thank you for joining today once again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be on the channel and be active. And now let me hand over the mic to the next analyst. Stay profitable, happy investing.